If you're looking to knit something very specific, like a trendy oversized cardigan, like these ones with pockets, then I've got you with these 10 free to download knitting patterns that you could try right now. Let's have a look at what we've got. So to begin with, we have one with cables and pockets. This one's quite long and reaches almost to your knees. If somebody feels like having something classic yet with a bit of a twist with the cables and the lapels and the arms, this is a good choice. In order to download, you just go to the download section here and you click on that. It takes you to a new tab where you will find the pattern. This one is from Knitwear. When you go there, you can see the patterns here. Next, we have the Wandering Cables cardigan. It's another nice one from Red Heart. Next, from Drops Design, we have this nice, long, probably easier to knit crochet cardigan that's textured with pockets. Next, another one from Knitwear. This is a beautiful, very long cardigan with pockets. This one features a mock fisherman's rib and broken seed stitch. This is a very beautiful complex texture and cable patterns with bobbles, and it uses charts. This is really quite exciting if you really want to create something that looks like a masterpiece, because this one really does the job. It has so many different things going on and it looks simply stunning. Another one from Knitwear. They really do make beautiful patterns. This one's a simpler one in stockinette stitch. It's nice, oversized, very long, and it has pockets. The Wayfarer cardigan. This one's from Drops Design. Another nice long cardigan that has stockinette stitch and then ribbing, and I like how puffy the sleeves are. Here we have another cardigan that is very long, and this one will go with almost everything. It's just in a simple one color block with some pockets and long sleeves, open in the front with a V-neck, and appears to be in a stockinette stitch. Following, we have this nice cardigan from Barocco, and it features an all-over textured pattern stitch. Let's look at it closely. It's quite nice. This one shouldn't be too difficult either. Penelope's Garden cardigan from Universal Yarn. This one is knit seamlessly from the top down and features an A-line shape. Cascade Yarns Dream Cardi, an intermediate level knit in stockinette stitch with ribbing in the borders and pockets. And that's it, guys. You can just follow this and see that we have way more than just these 10 free cardigan knitting patterns. We have so many. I have been running this website for 16 years now, so there's 16 years worth of cardigans that you can take a look at. Anyway, hope you enjoy, and until the next time, goodbye.